Imagine waking up to money flowing into your bank account while you're still lying in bed. Now, stop imagining. What if I told you there are passive income streams that can make that a reality, even for busy people like you? Today, we're diving into realistic passive income streams that won't demand your full attention, but still have the power to change your life. Stick around to the end because I'm revealing a game-changing tip that could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's face it, we all want financial freedom. But most of us don't have the luxury of time to spend hours hustling every day. You've got a job, school, responsibilities. You might even have a social life sometimes. But that doesn't mean you can't start building wealth today. What if you could make money while doing something you're already doing? Or even better, while you're asleep, Netflixing or hiking with friends. Sounds too good to be true. Let me show you it's possible. Dividend investing, the sleepy millionaire's secret first up. Dividend investing. You don't have to be a stock market genius to get started with this one. Dividend investing means you own shares in companies that pay you a portion of their earnings regularly, often quarterly. Just imagine you buy a few shares in a company, and each quarter you start receiving cash, often without lifting a finger. Over time, those payments compound and grow. It's like a snowball that just gets bigger and bigger. You're probably wondering, how do you pick the right dividend stocks? Stick around because I'll tell you the trick to avoid a common mistake most people make. Real estate crowdfunding, the future of passive investment. Next, we've got real estate crowdfunding. Now, I know what you're thinking, real estate? That sounds complicated, but hear me out. With real estate crowdfunding, you can pool your money with others to invest in properties without needing a massive down payment or getting your hands dirty with maintenance. The best part? You don't have to deal with tenants or property managers. Well, that's coming up in a minute. You'll want to pay attention to this one because it could save you from a disaster. Create an online course. Your knowledge, your passive income. Here's a game changer, creating an online course. If you have a skill or knowledge in anything from digital marketing to cooking, photography, or fitness, you're sitting on a gold mine. The best part? Once your course is up and running, it can generate money for years without needing your constant input. And the best part? It's something you can build on your own schedule. Peer-to-peer lending. Let your money work for you. Another killer strategy? Peer-to-peer lending. This is where you act as the bank. You lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to pick borrowers and earn monthly payments. The catch? Risk management is key. But if you know how to assess the loans, you can make this an effortless income stream. Affiliate marketing, simple, scalable, profitable. Last but definitely not least, affiliate marketing. This is how some of the most successful entrepreneurs earn passive income while they sleep. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products or services, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It could be as easy as recommending a product you love to your friends. Except now, those recommendations are paying you. Coming up, I'll reveal how to make affiliate marketing so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. But first, let's make sure you're setting up each stream properly. Don't wait until you're overwhelmed by debt or struggling with your finances. Start today. Even if you only invest a few hours a week, those few hours will compound into something greater. Trust me, your future self will thank you unless you're too busy spending it all on avocado toast. But hey, no judgment. The secret to lasting wealth. The truth is, the key to passive income isn't about choosing the right stream. It's about consistency and growth. Start with one income stream, master it. Then, as you build momentum, add another one. This compounding effect is where real wealth starts. Whether it's dividends, real estate crowdfunding, online courses, or affiliate marketing, your goal is to build a portfolio of income streams that pay you while you're busy living life. It's time to stop trading hours for dollars. But here's the real trick to making all this work seamlessly. And it's something most people overlook. Ready? Let's dive in. You can make money while living your life, and you don't need to sacrifice your time or energy to build wealth. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a video. Let me know in the comments which passive income stream you're starting with, and let's make 2025 your year of financial freedom.